All right. Hey, welcome back to school, guys. I am Mr. Dunn. For those of you who have never had me in class before, this is just a little introductory video so you guys can get to know me and so I can tell you how class is going to be run this year, both online and in person. All right. So just a little bit about me first. As I said, my name is Mr. Dunn. I was a park ranger at one point, and my hobbies include things like playing the banjo, playing competitive backgammon, and I like Pokemon and collecting and drying mushrooms. So that's a little bit about me. All right. So if you are one of my sophomore biology students or freshman earth science students, the procedures are basically going to be the same thing for both of you. If you are in class with me, we are going to be doing lab things in class, and we're going to be tackling some of the more challenging material this year. Things that I deem to be simpler or more straightforward, you're going to do at home on the computer in the hybrid model. Now, if you are doing online only education, you're going to be doing the same kind of thing, but in a slightly different format. That is, you're going to be submitting the same assignments, but you're going to be doing it through the Google Classroom platform. Okay. Now, regardless of whether you're in class or at home only, there are three types of things that you're going to need. If you're at home, you're going to need to download these. If you're in class with me, I'm going to give them to you. So there are 3 packs of materials that you're going to need. It's an entire unit at one point. The one that I think is most important is this one right here. Okay, this is known as the knowledge pack. This is going to be your notes right up here at the top. There it is, right up there at the top. That's where you're going to have to look to see which pack you're working with here. Okay, so you guys are going to take notes in these. If you're at home, you're going to do it all online. If you're in class, some of it's going to be online, some of it's going to be in class. Okay. Now, these are numbered by what lesson they are, and we will not always be going in order because, like I say, I'm going to hit the more challenging things in class and leave the easier things for online-only education, okay? So you'll fill these out, and you'll give them to me, okay? The other pack of material you're going to need is the challenge pack. It's going to have a few gears right up here. These are very short, simple, easy-to-do assignments, okay? None of them should take you more than 5 or 10 minutes tops. All right. So when we look in there, we will see what the assignments look like. We complete these. We either submit them online if we are doing the distance learning, or we simply bring them to class with us if we are in the hybrid model. Okay. Now I will be sending out answer keys for these. So you check your own. I'm not going to grade these for accuracy. I'm going to grade them for completion. If you do them, you get credit. It's a chance for you to practice the content that was delivered for that particular lesson. The last thing we have here is the lab pack. It's got a couple of test tubes up in the right-hand corner. Okay. Now, the lab pack is a little more challenging in that most of these things we have to do in class. Okay. So most of the lab pack will be done here at school. Now, if you are online only, I will have some modified versions of these labs for you. And so you'll still need to complete these, but you may be watching me do a demonstration of the lab, and you'll be recording the information, which is not nearly as fun. All right. Well, guys, I will keep things posted on my website. Prepare for future videos and specific lessons. But for now, just get yourself ready for the school year.